In this tutorial I will show you how you can delete your account on the RedNote app. First, simply open the app and make sure you are logged into your account you want to delete. Go to your profile section by tapping the Me icon at bottom right. Here you need to tap on the gear icon. Next, navigate to Account Security and click on Account Cancellation. First, you need to verify that this is your account. Then it will show you to select the reason you want to delete your account. Then follow the prompts to confirm and provide a reason for deleting your account. Your account will then be permanently deleted.